You all have played cards. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on these cards. Probability problems based on these cards. So before going to the problems, this card we call it as ace. And this is king, this is queen, and this card is nothing but jack. And we usually say king, queen and jack, these three are called as face cards. And this is the symbol for heart. So heart, this is club, this is diamond, and this one is spade. These are the symbols. This is the symbol for spade, this is the symbol for diamond, club and heart. Apart from that, you have cards numbered from 2 to 10. So you can see here card numbered 2, here 9, card numbered 4. Again, you can see here card numbered 10, and this is king, queen, jack. Therefore, I told face card. Now, if you see card number 2, in all the 4 set, we will have card number 2. This is diamond, this is club, this is heart, and this is spade. And you can see 2 red cards and 2 black cards. Same way, if you see card number 9, you can see here also you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is actually the spade 9, this is heart 9, this is diamond 9, and this is club 9, and this is diamond 9. So again 2 red 9 cards and 2 black card number 9. Same way you can see card number 4, card number 10. Now you have got an idea. So total in a well shuffled pack of cards, we have 52 cards. Total we have 52 cards in a pack. Out of that, 26 are red and 26 are black. And red cards, just now we have seen heart and diamond are of red in color, and club and spade are of black in color. So the total 52 cards are actually divided into 2, like 26 red and 26 black. And this 26 red cards are again divided into heart and diamond. Again 26 black cards are divided into club and spade. Now these 4, heart, diamond, club and spade, we usually call as suit. So we have 4 suit in a pack of 52 cards, and each suit contains 13 cards. So don't get confused. In a pack of 52 cards, we have 4 suit, and that is heart, diamond, club and spade. Each suit contains 13 cards. So that 13 cards means under the heart we have king, queen, jack, ace. Just now I have showed all these cards and card numbered from 2 to 10. So with the simple heart and with red color, we have king, queen, jack, ace and card numbered from 2 to 10. Again, under the diamond, with the diamond sign and with red color, we have king, queen, jack, ace and card numbered from 2 to 10. Again, club, it is of black color, and under the suit club, we have 13 cards, that is king, queen, jack, ace, again card numbered from 2 to 10. Same with spade. So I hope you have understood how cards are there in a pack of 52 cards. Now let's have a quick revision. Total number of cards in a pack, it is 52. Number of red cards, 26. Number of black cards, that's also 26. Total number of suit, that is 4. That is heart, diamond, again spade and club. Number of cards in each suit, 13, right? Face cards. Face cards are king, queen and jack. So these three we usually call as face cards. Now total number of king. In each suit we have king. We have 4 suit, so 4 king. Total number of queen, that is also 4. Total number of jack, again 4. Total number of ace, 4. Any card you take, total number of card number 2, that will be also 4. Each from one suit. Number of face cards in each suit. How many face cards are there in each suit? In one suit we have 3 face cards. So we have 4 suit. So 3 4s are 12. So 12 face cards are there. Total number of face cards. So total number of face card is 12 and number of face card in each suit will be 3. So total number of face card is 12. 3 4s are 12. Again, number of red king. Number of red king is 2 and 1 from heart and 1 from diamond. Again, total number of black queen, that is also 2. 1 from spade and 1 from club. Now let's see one problem based on this. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, jack of heart, a spade. Now we know the formula for probability, that is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So here total number of outcomes is 52 because there are total number of card is 52. A king of red color. So how many king are there with red color? 2. So 2 by 52. The next one, a face card. Total number of card is again 52. How many face cards are there? I told in one suit we have 3 face cards, which is king, queen and jack. Like that in 4 suit we will have 3 into 4, 12. So total number of face card is 12 by 52. Again, a red face card. So total number of card is 52. A red face card means from heart and from diamond. 3 face card from each suit. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 6 by 52. Again, jack of heart means total number of card is 52. Jack of heart means in heart we have 1 jack, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 this one and cards numbered from 2 to 10. So jack of heart means only 1 card is there with heart symbol, that is 1 by 52. Again, next one, a spade. So total number of card again is 52. Spade means total number of spade is 13. So 13 by 52. Again, queen of diamond. Total number of card is 52. And queen of diamond again 1 by 52. Because under diamond we have 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, again card numbered from 2 to 10. So queen of diamond means it is 1 by 52. Now 5 cards, jack, queen, 10, king and ace of diamond are well shuffled with their face downward. You can see Jack, Queen, King, 10, card number 10, all and Ace, all are from diamond. You can see the symbol also. One card is picked at random. What is the probability that card is the Queen? Very simple. How many cards are there total? 5. So, and one card you are taking, what is the probability of getting the Queen? How many Queen are there in this group? Only one. So, it is 1 by 5. If the Queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that second card picked up is an Ace and again a Queen? So, Queen we have taken outside. So, Queen we have taken aside. What is the probability that second card picked up is an Ace? Now, we have only 4 cards. So, how many cards are left out? Only 4 cards. Now, from this, how many Aces is there? Only 1. So, the answer is 1 by 4. Again, one more question. What is the probability that second card picked up is a Queen? So, total 4 cards are there. Here, there is no Queen. 0 by 4 is 0, or this is an impossible event. So, I hope you have understood the concept of cards. Thank you for watching my video.